What's going on, guys? George here with another video, another mod dash install for you guys, and I want to take the time to thank Danny at Clazzio for hooking me up with a really good deal. And I'm gonna put their info down below. They are having a sale right now, but if you use my promo code, the promo code is BustToBeGeorge, you'll get $100.75 off. So if you guys are thinking of buying some Clazzio leather perforated seats for your Tacoma or whatever vehicle you have, make sure you guys use that promo code, because $100.75 is a lot of money to be saving. You guys can use that towards whatever other mod you guys are going to be doing to your truck or car. So let's get this install started. So here you have it. I'm really impressed with the quality of the material. So I'm gonna show you guys what my truck looks like now and what it looks like after the install. So as you can see, I do have regular cloth seats. So in the box you do get this installation manual where all you got to do is follow the instructions and you should be all good. Alright, so here's the finished product. As you can tell, they look amazing. Can't even tell they're covers. They are perforated with these little holes, which make a big difference when it's hot. And I was just sitting there, so I did get a little wrinkled, but normally it goes away. If you add pressure, you do get markings, but they go away. And check out the back seat. Super clean look. Honestly, guys, for the money, it's worth it. Like I said, you can't even tell that they're covers. And I was gonna go with red stitching, but I just went with black since everything else is black. The only thing that has red markings are my shift knob, but I think all black looks better, especially when I do have a white and black truck. And I recently took my quad out, so I did remove my rack, so now it's looking pretty stock, and I did get it detailed. One of my boys, Tony, has a small business, and you can look him up on Instagram. I'll put his info down below, and he completely details your car for a really good rate. That's exterior and interior. And I did take my car off-roading this weekend, which was Friday and Saturday, so my truck was really filthy, and he did an amazing job, so please check him out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Believe me, these covers will make your truck look a lot different. Every time I go in my truck, I'm telling you, it feels like I'm in a brand new truck. It does have that leather smell to it, and I love it. Make sure you guys check them out, Clazzio seat covers. I'll put their info down below, and I'm also gonna put Tony's information. You can check him out on Instagram. Believe me, he does quality work. And I did get some requests about the MR2, so here's some footage of the MR2.